ordered really beautiful wallet for my cash stuffing and normal usage for actually my short-term sinking funds, and it arrived. I couldn't wait to get a long video for it. I just wanted to open it. So let's unbox it together. I put some correcting tape on it so my address and the address won't be obvious. I bought it from Etsy. Oh, it's a bit hard, but I try my best. I think it's okay. Actually, it was the one of the last ones in the shop. So after that, I went to buy another one. Actually, I bought two of them right now, but I want to buy the third one in another color, and it was sold out. I was so sad. But let's see what is it in this one. I hope it will be really great. I wait for it a long time. Are you ready? Oh, so beautiful. So cute. I want to do all of them by one. Look at this small one. This paper clip. It's one of the color that kinda I use in my logo. I love it. And a sticker for the winter. I am also not good at reading the German, but I can try. Dankeschön für deine Bestellung, Mehta. I love it. It's Arya. R and budgeting. Oh, so cute. Oh, and I have free gifts. Yeah. Open. I am always calm, but not when I have a package or parcel. It's not the time that you can expect me to be calm. And yay! So cute. Kleine Wünsche. I know it means that small wish. And große Wünsche. It means big wish. I can put the number that I want for each of them and find the Gesamt, find out how much all of it gonna worth. Actually, I know each of them should worth a number, but I like to do it for each petal. I mean, for example, each petal worth 1, and is it a flower? I don't know. The whole one worth 4, so I can do it 1 petal by 1. Yeah, it's so good. And this one, oh, it's hard to do it like each part €1. So I put it whole. How many of them are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 440. I will think about it later, but it's so cute. And the main one. Oh, I love it. And with a lot of cute things. I love these things. RM budgeting, and look at the color. Oh, I love it. So minimal and so calm and so cute. I don't know how is it possible, but it has all of it. And it's a complete wallet. I mean, I know what I ordered, but I think I love it. Let's check inside of it. But before, look around. Yeah, it's completely healthy. It's okay. Oh, has many spaces. Okay, I put it out of the frame and look at here. Okay, I can put it's like this. Oh, I can put a picture here, my cards here. No, it's like this. Why I am doing like this? My cards here, 3 cards here, something here, something here. Let me completely unbox it. A bit more, and yeah, and check it if it works well. Yeah, and actually these are so big, so I can put a lot of them. I told you that I have a lot of categories, and you will going to know that I even have more categories, so they will be here perfectly. I love it. What's this? Oh, a space here, a pocket, and this one probably is for the coin. Really good. Oh, I can put my pen here, so I can write whatever I want to write exactly that time. And these small ones, I can put something beautiful, a charm here. Is it? Oh, and the last part, it's so big. I love it. I absolutely love it. I have another one from it. As I said, I ordered 2 and I couldn't order the third one. Someone before me did that. And they're so good together. Look. There's so much. I love it. Okay, and this video is completely sudden and I didn't plan for it. So probably it's gonna be the 3rd video. Yeah, and I will upload the 4th one with filling these 2 wallets. I will have another one too, but it's not gonna be a wallet, it's gonna be a binder and it's for something else. But I will fill this too with my own products and these beautifuls and other things, and show you how I usually do it in Germany as a student. Thank you for being with me. Goodbye.